We're good cops. I promise. Yeah. Shut down, shut down. I'm a douche. Get out of the way, we have to go. You too. We have pizza in the oven, get off the road. Ooh, I got a clap. No.
Get him. Now's our chance.
Shh. Oh my god, I'm gonna start shooting them. We're moving faster than any bullet can freaking travel right now, dude. Oh, I'm gonna pop their tires so they freak out.
Now's our chance.
No, but I can actually buy a good car, so just get off of here, yeah. Go down here and I'll buy it. Just like... Okay, just stop right here. Stop right here. Just don't move. Okay. Car on demand. Yeah. Okay, here. It's over here. No, I do not, but I've heard of it. It's not a police car, but it's actually pretty cool. Oh, yeah, now I've heard of it, yeah. I know what it is. I'll drive. Actually, no, we don't even need a four door. Fuck it. Yeah.
Got him. Get in there.
Okay, I'm just gonna get like the fastest car in the game real quick. Car on demand, next delivery available in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm just gonna get the fastest car in the game real quick.
Yeah, I got you covered. Your ride's ready for pickup.
Wait, what? Where is it? No, where is it? What? No, it didn't even appear. It didn't even appear. Oh my god, I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna kill this guy. No, don't kill him. He's cool. I'm pretty sure this is the guy that's like almost impossible to kill.
Watch yourself. It's armed. Watch yourself. It's armed.
Dang it. This is my favorite song on earth. Wait, what? Oh, go out. Or like a really jazzy song.
Ask, and ye shall receive.
Not sure. I'm trying to get a car that's not spawning in, and I'm about to freak out. Where is it? I mean, I tried to order it like 7 times, and I hit order, and then it orders, and then I can't find it because it disappears. Because it's gay. No. No. $360. No scope. $360. $720. No scope. No. Don't run me over.
Your ride's ready. Gassed up, wheels balanced, fluids checked, the works. You're welcome.
Car's here. Don't ruin it. Yeah, it's a two-seater. Get in quick. No, it's red. Ah. No. No. Ah. Oh my god. No. 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 Put the no. No. You monster. The hood's coming up now. Oh, bye. No! It goes way too fast. Like watch this, dude. Like uh-oh. 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 What? You go too fast and then flip off an edge or a cliff. You drive. You drive. Stop. Drive. You'll never catch me. No. Nope.
Okay. She's ready when you are.
What? I'm coming back. Don't worry, dude. Stop. I will run you over. Don't. Okay, listen. If one of those grenades hits me, I swear to God, I'll inch towards you really slowly. No! That's not fair! Oops. Ooh. 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 Okay, okay, okay. There's plenty of cars where you are. Ooh, nice cars too. It's a shame though. What? I'm right over here, dude. Just get in the car and come get me. No, I'm gonna hide. You destroyed my car. Okay, but never destroy my car again because it's like one of my biggest pet peeves. I'm gonna get a Lambo. You know, you should get. Do you have the Pavaro Stealth Edition?
Alright, she's all prepped, waiting just for you.
Do you have the Stealth Edition? Pavaro. Have you respawned yet? Oh. Then you don't. Performance, I think. Special card for porn. Over. I'm waiting, kind of. I'm just waiting for this to load because I want the Pavaro of the. Do you have the Lamborghini? It's actually called the Scaffetti GT. It's over here. I just spawned it in. I said I wanted taco, but okay. Need. How much are you close to it? Like 50,000. Sure, it's 50,000. I'm trying to get the Lamborghini. But what do we have that we have the same of?
Shut it down for a little bit.
You're close. Oh, you just ran into my car. Oh, no, never mind.
Move your feet.
No. I off now. Oh.